Hi guys, today we're going to make our own puff pastry. In a couple of my previous episodes, I've shown you guys how to use the rough puff way, but today we're doing it the proper way, the French way.
Begin by mixing 250 grams of flour with 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of sugar, 5 grams of white wine vinegar, 125 grams of cold water and 40 grams of butter. Knead this until you're left with an elastic ball of dough. This takes around 5 minutes and you know it's ready when you're left with a clean cutting board. Then flour the dough and press it into a square shape that's 18 by 18 centimeters. Now wrap it in plastic foil and let it rest in your fridge for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, flour your worktop and place 190 grams of butter on top. Cover this with flour and roll it into a square that's 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Wrap this in plastic foil as well and let it set completely in your fridge. Once the dough is rested, slightly roll out the sides of the dough. Then brush all the excess flour off the dough and place the butter on the dough. Do this so that the points from the butter are opposite from the points from the dough. Now cover your butter with the dough and make sure that there's no air trapped in between the layers. Then roll out your dough into a long rectangle and brush any flour off the dough. Now fold the bottom a third way up and fold the top over. Then rotate your dough 90 degrees and repeat the same process that we just did. So now in total we did 2 folds. Then wrap the dough in plastic foil and mark it so you remember how many folds you did. Let this set in your fridge for at least 1 hour. Then flour your worktop again and repeat the 2 folds we just did, bringing the total folds up to 4. Then wrap it again and let it set for another hour. Now repeat the folding process for the last time, so the dough is folded 6 times in total. Give it a final rest of 1 hour and then the dough is ready to be used. If you cut a little slice off, you can really see all the layers. You can use the puff pastry dough for a lot of things, but here I just bake it with a little egg wash and some flaky salt. I have just one little tip. Always cut your dough and never slice it, otherwise the sides will not rise as much as the middle and they'll end up looking like a pillowcase. Now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes till golden brown.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And as always, bon appetit!